Hi everyone, with another video, and here is Oppo A5i. And today one thing I want to share with you, for example, this is a budget phone. This costs almost $90. You can see what's in your country, but I think it's much better brand compared to Infinix. There's a few reasons, because if you get Infinix in the same price, you will get it Hot 60i. Okay, what's the difference is, the good thing is Oppo slightly better brand than Infinix, so the price is slightly higher. But Infinix, how they cover some things, like they give a little bit higher refresh rate, and sometimes they give it just like a better camera resolution only, but actually Infinix cameras are not very nice, very shaky. But I think in $90 or less than $100 budget, if you go to Infinix, I would recommend go to Oppo. The big reason is here. If you see, this is a Snapdragon processor is everything. By the time, many time people thinking like MediaTek processor, but after 2 year 3 year, when you do a lot of gaming, the processor, the chip get hot, and the quality of the processor, the performance go down. But the Snapdragon is the best processor in the world so far. Many companies try to do, even the Samsung, they're doing Exynos chip, and MediaTek. These are the cheapest chips in the market actually, and the companies, they make a lot of money to give and sell us that kind of chip. Even you see the Samsung, they make a Snapdragon in America, and in Asian country they use Exynos chip. Why, right? This is a big difference. So this thing, the good thing is this refresh rate. The refresh rate is 90 hertz. It's enough. 120 refresh rate, when your processor is weak, your game cannot support even 120 or 144 refresh rate. So what's the point? I hope you understand. Second thing, you see the Snapdragon is a top. Okay, and after that, military grade shock resistance. This is another really highlight stuff. If your phone fall down and it's broke, I mean, what's the point? 4 year durable battery life. Actually, Infinix also claim about 5 year, 4 year, but I don't believe. But Oppo have a long reputation to giving a good phone. Even for me, I will make Vivo and Oppo almost the same class. Okay, because they have a long more cycles. Normally battery 500 cycles, like 500 time you discharge 0 to 100%. The battery will be degrade to 80% health. But this is 5 year or 4 year durable battery main. Might be they have more than 1000 cycle, or more 1500 cycles should be. Okay, then here's flash with IP. Okay, let's open it, and I want to do the here gaming test. You can see a lot of unboxing here. Okay, when you want to open the mobile, actually I'm telling you, many people, they just open like that. Just start open from the side like this, right here, and then this is the right way how you can open any box, especially for electronic. Here you can see. Okay, this is, now you can bring out. This is I version. I don't know, some countries might be it's not available. For me, the processor is very important. And nowadays, if you see a lot of companies, even they give uni processor is the cheapest 7250, or they are the cheapest processor actually. And I really don't recommend anybody buy that kind of processor. So nice, really. When I touch, it's a little bit heavy. If the phone is heavy, if you go to flagship phone, the phone is heavy. It's not bad thing actually. Many people thinking the phone is very heavy, so it's mean they put something really good material. That's why the weight is slightly higher. I mean, many people thinking the light phone, Infinix giving the lightest phone. It doesn't mean they are the best. They are the best. If you see the Samsung, their phones are heavy because they're durable for 5 years, 6 years. Okay, let's see first. Okay. So many misconception, and many people, YouTubers, they didn't talk about this. They just talk about the phone is very good, this phone is very good. Yeah, and now you can see the quality of the screen protector come out. It's really nice. See, I mean, I do unboxing for Infinix also. That is the cheapest and most sellable mobile actually in this Asian market, especially in US. Nobody buy it, but Oppo, Xiaomi, still US market, still you can get it. I mean, here you can see, seriously, it's quite nice. Look like durable. And the white screen protector get yellow by the time. This black, even after 1 year, 2 year, there's no color changing. Okay. Then here's the charger. Fast charging, 45 watt. I hope I can show you here. Okay. But anyway, it's a 45 watt charger. That's true. And that's all in the cable. So let's put everything on the side and just start unboxing. Wow, here. Yes, beautiful red color. Okay, quite nice actually. For me, I was thinking to, it's giving the shade actually, quite nice shade. It's like dark and like purple or maroon. Okay, nice. Let's open. And there's a small screen protector ready. Let's see this side. Phone have SIM card, and nothing here on the top. No infrared. Very simple. But there's a headphone jack, mic, speaker. But this is dual speaker also, as my information. Let's open it. So I was talking, the processor is everything. Processor is everything. If you want a long-lasting phone, really, but the Snapdragon is mostly come with the price. I see Vivo give the Snapdragon, and the Oppo also sometime not give actually. Even Samsung also stopped already to giving Snapdragon anymore. Why? The processor is actually expensive. So Oppo, this model, A5i or A5i Pro, I will recommend for budget gaming. So yeah, that's my quick review. And now next video, I will make gaming, then camera test with the Samsung, and drop test in the last. If you want to see, keep in touch. And here you can check how many seconds. It's first time turning on. So yeah, nothing special. But the special thing is processor. Processor is the best thing in your mobile. RAM is 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB, mostly RAM used for loading. Many people, they don't understand. A storage is okay, I mean 128, 256, but the processor is the main thing, and many people, they don't understand this stuff. So yeah. Okay, maybe I have to put the, skip. Yeah, they were asking, skip here, and skip here. Quickly turn on. I don't like to leave this. I always off this location stuff. Skip. The screen quality, auto update, no. Whatever they say, I don't want to, just do opposite. This is my way. I mean, whenever I use the phone, I don't want to give them full my privacy or permission for whatever they want. I just say no. I will choose it later if I want to on something. So yeah, quite nice. Giving the nice reflection. Yeah. Okay, get started. Yeah, that is the main screen. Smooth. Yeah, I will have the other stuff. Camera, just for quick. First time. Yes. Front side. Video. Full HD 30 frame. Back side. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. The brightness is now is very low, and actually it's really nice brightness. You can feel it. I can see it's very bright, but even the brightness is 25%, and if go 100%, this is 100% brightness. It's so bright, really. So yeah, okay. Wait for a next video. Will be the gaming test, another video the camera test, and then the last drop test. Stay tuned. Thumbs up.